I'm Kathryne Young. I'm the Director of Manufacturing here at StarFish Medical. The biggest thing for our clients seems to be attracting investors. And if you can tell your story and create that vision for your investors and tell them how you're going to get there, you're going to have a much better chance of success with your product. You can use visioning in the commercialization process by setting your end goal, and that end goal or that end vision will be what helps you come up with your milestones and the final steps to get through that process. Your vision should be inspiring and motivational. One of the things that will really be impactful is if you can have that future vision of your supply chain. You might not be making, tons of products right now, but if you could see what those products look like and cost in the future, then that is really going to help drive investment into your company, and that's really gold. Visioning can help you define market strategy. Your market entry could be a phased approach. It could be through strategic partnerships, or it could be through a sophisticated distribution type entry. How can we support you with our logistics expertise? How can the supply chain really get smoothed out to be able to get your product into the market? Visioning can help with risk mitigation. When you have a vision and you start putting milestones in place, it's really natural to come to the whole process of identifying the risks. What can really go wrong? In our manufacturing department, we participate in risk mitigation through the PMFEA process and through the other processes such as vendor selection, non-conformance, root causing, ECR and ECO processes to make things better. And throughout those processes, risks are assessed at each stage. So that's how we can support your vision of risk mitigation. At StarFish Medical, the manufacturing department supports the commercialization process with our client milestones in mind. If we understand your vision, we can help you build a roadmap, and we can help you make it real.